Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Ogoni youths, led by President of the Ogoni Youth Federation, Comrade Legbosi Yamabana, were attacked while staging a peaceful protest at the Port Harcourt office of the Hydrocarbon Pollution Remediation Project, Hyprep. Our correspondent reports that the protesting youths were attacked by a rival youth group at Hyprep office, where they went to demand the immediate sack of the project coordinator, Professor Neni Barini Zabe, for alleged corruption and abuse of office.
In August this year, the Hydrocarbon Pollution Remediation Project Hyprep received $360 million to clean up polluted sites in Ogoni land. After carrying out an assessment of the project performance in the last 3 months, Ogoni youths, led by President General of the Ogoni Youth Federation, Comrade Legbosi Yamabana, passed a vote of no confidence in Hyprep. The disenchanted youths subsequently staged a protest at the Port Harcourt office of Hyprep, accusing the project coordinator, Professor Neni Barini Zabe, of malfeasance and demanding his sack.
Total disregard of local content, total neglect of the youths, even the clean-up is a charade. Nothing is happening in the land. The first emergency measures, which was provision of potable water, they gave contract to the surrogates.
Not long after the protesters occupied Hyprep office in Port Harcourt, another group of Ogoni youths arrived at the scene of protests. The protesting youths were attacked and disorganized by their assailants, who also assaulted our crew members physically and damaged our camera. Some policemen attached to Hyprep, taking sides with the anti-protesters, released several gunshots in the air. One of the youths who was injured in the attack accused Hyprep of instigating what he described as an unwarranted assault.
Look at my hand. They ordered the Nigerian police to shoot at us. They unleashed mayhem on us this morning. Look at my face. Look at my head. Look at my head. I'm bleeding all over. See there. This is what?
At the scene of confrontation, some members of the group that attacked the protesters justified their action, accusing Comrade Yamabana and his group of staging the protests for pecuniary reasons.
Mr. Legbosi Yamabana is not from Ogoni. He's an Akwa Ibom son. He has been assaulting us. Just 2 weeks ago, I gave him 100 million. What did he do with the money? After eating the money, he will come and deceive us. We will not want us to accept any persons that is sponsoring any group of persons. We condemn totally. If there is an insider in Hyprep, if there is an outsider, any Ogoni man, any son and daughter of Ogoni that is sponsoring an Ogoni youth against Ogoni project coordinator, we are totally against it.
When contacted for his own side of the story, project coordinator of Hyprep, Professor Zabe, initially agreed to speak to inside the Niger Delta, but suddenly stopped taking calls and failed to respond to messages sent to his mobile line. Based on recommendations of the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP, Hyprep was established by former President Muhammadu Buhari to carry out remediation of crude oil and gas impacted sites after many years of environmentally unsustainable methods of crude oil exploration and production in Ogoni land. After its formal launch in August 2016, Hyprep commenced actual cleanup of oil-impacted sites in January 2019 with the handover of 16 polluted sites to contractors. However, the Ogoni cleanup exercise has generated severe criticisms over the years. Many disenchanted groups have continued to deplore the cleanup exercise as very disappointing, noting that even the emergency measures recommended by UNEP, such as the provision of potable water for impacted communities, have not been put in place. This development is regardless of the fact that UNEP had in its recommendation noted that the extent of hydrocarbon pollution in Ogoni land is so severe that it will take between 25 and 30 years of conscientious remediation to restore the despoiled environment back to its full productive health.
Inside the Niger Delta,